Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you're watching this from. This is Choice of Choice Crochet. I want to say welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I bring you another beautiful tutorial and we are going to make scrunchies. But this time around, we are going to make scrunchies without the band. As you can see, I don't have the band here. So just in case you don't have any band for your scrunchies, you can alternate it with the way I'm going to be doing it. I'll be using these two colors, but this is going to be the main primary color. This is just for the tip, just to design it. And it's a yeye yarn, a 40 gram, and it's an acrylic yarn as well. As you can see, it's not one ball, it's just I think I've used a little from it. So I'll be using this and this for the design. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. But what we are going to be needing is our scissors, our lighter, our crochet hook, which is the 4.0 mm hook, and our stitch marker. Possibly we need it so that we know where to end and where to start. But it's optional. With the way I want to do it, I don't think I will really need the stitch marker. But without wasting much time, let's get into the video so you see what I mean. From here, I'm going to double my strand as usual. And we are going to make a chain that will be enough to go through our wrist. We are making a chain that will go through, that will go around our wrist. So let's make a chain that will go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 29, 30. So I did 30 chain, and when I put it around my wrist, it fits. Now, like I said, you can do it two ways. Is either from here we start making our ruffles, or we can make this chain up to 90 chain. 30 times 3 I think is 90. Then we divide it 30 30, then we'll go to the middle and do our ruffles. But this is what I mean. From here now, I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to go into the second stitch. I don't know if it's clear. Into the the third stitch from the hook. I'm not counting this. This is 1, 2, and I'll go into the third with 4 double crochet in that same space. 1, 2, 3, then 4, like so. Then you go into the next with another 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Another 1, 2, 3, then 4. So you continue making 4 double crochet around the chain until you get to the end of the chain. Remember, I chained 30, so I don't know the hook size you are using or the yarn that you are using. So, but rest assured that the chain you are going to make should be equal, should be enough to go around your wrist. Should be enough to go around your wrist. Later, then I will show, when we are done with the ruffles, then I will show you what we are going to do so that we're able to tie it. So just continue making 4 double crochet on your chain until you get to the end. So I'm at the end making my last 4 double crochet in the last chain that I made. So this is what your work will be looking like. I know it doesn't look like much, but trust me, when we are done, then I'll show you how we are going to be able to place it on our wrists. So this is how it's looking like. Now from here in the second round, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. Chain 2 is our turning chain, doesn't count as a stitch. Then we are going to go into that first double crochet with 3 double crochet there. So we are going to work 3 double crochet across until we get to the end of the row. So make your 3 double crochet in each double crochet from the previous row. 2, 3. So continue working yours until you get to the end. So I'm at the end. I want to make my 3 double crochet into that place. 1, 2, 3. And this is what your work will be looking like. Now I wanted to add that pink at the tip, but I think I don't have to add it. I like the way it is already. I wanted to add the pink to give it a little make it finer, but I think I should end it like this. So from here, I'm just going to chain one, and I'm going to cut and I fasten off like so. Now, mind you, like this, it will only fit, but we can't be able to tie it, you get. So what we are going to do from here now, we are still going to take our yarn, make a loop. So you're going to make an amount of chain that you could be able to tie it from one end. So I'm going to chain 30. I think 30 will be okay for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I think from this end is okay for me. Then from here, after making 30, we are going to reattach it here. But this time, what we are going to do is going to be a little bit difficult, but we have to try and do it. So from here, we are going to go into that first chain that we made, that where we made our 4 double crochet. We are going to go into that place and make a half crochet. Sorry, a single crochet, like so. We are going to go into the nest with a single crochet. Like I said earlier, it's going to be difficult, but we have to try and pass it through. Single crochet, like so. If you feel this one is difficult for you, all you have to do, I will show you, when I'm done with this, I will show you what you're going to do so that you will not go through this process. So just continue making half double crochet till you get to the end of the row. Continue making, I'm so sorry, single crochet, not half double crochet. Single crochet. Single crochet, you're not going to yarn over, you're just going to go into that chain and pull up a loop. You have 2 hook on your chain, then you pass it all out like so. That's your single crochet. So continue working yours, work mine to get to the end. So guys, at the end, I want to put my last single crochet like so. Now from here now, I'm going to chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 30, and I'm just going to cut and I fasten off. So you will have something looking like this. So at least this tail here will be able to help you tie it like this. So you could tie it on your wrist if you want to. So this is how it's looking like. You can just go ahead and just put a little touch up, maybe like a bead at the mouth of it so that it will be fine. So that when it comes out, it won't look like this. So I'm going to put bead on mine. So guys, I went ahead to add bead. Like I said, you could add bead of your choice. So I added one on mine. And I remember I told you I'm going to show you another way of making scrunchies without a band, that is an elastic band, because this method is different. There's another method again you can use, whichever one is going to be okay for you. But I think it will be on our next video. So this is where we come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful as well. So please like, share, and comment so that I will know where my errors are. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.